Hi everyone, welcome back to Jen's Hangout. If you are new here, I'm Jen and thank you for coming. Welcome. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment. Say, hey, what's new? Anyway, what do we have today? And oh yeah, and if you're returning, love you guys. Mwah. Okay, so, what? Hi, you want to come here? Let's say hi. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. He's been very clingy this afternoon. Yeah, it's very clingy. Says I want my mom. Anyway, so what do we have going on today? We have friend mail, and I want a giveaway. So we'll start with the friend mail. Peachy Rose was one of my winners. I had 2 winners in my last hidden giveaway, and she was one of them. And so she sent me this really nice card, and she put stickers in it, and she sent me these absolutely adorable s'mores stickers. I mean, how cute are these, right? And then it says, Dear Jen, thank you so much for my goodies. I love them all. Sally Peachy Rose. Peach Rose. So there we go. Thank you very much, dear. I am so grateful that you like everything, and thank you so much for sending me the thank you card. That's so sweet. You didn't have to do that. And then I want to give away from Life with Christine. I will have her channel linked down below. If you don't know who she is wonderful. She does very similar content to me. She cooks, she does makeup, she vlogs her fitness stuff, all that kind of stuff, you know. So, my gosh, there's a lot in here. Goodness gracious. Okay, so this is a lip mask. I think I've only ever done a lip mask one time. And it was kind of, I didn't really know how to take it. You know, I think it was just new, you know what I mean? So, I am excited to try this. Oh yeah, I love these. Oh, there's 2 of them. There's 2 lip masks. Oh no, 3. There's 3. Haha, they were stuck together. There is 3. Okay, and then we have a sticker. Oh my gosh, I love this sticker. Oh no, it's a magnet. It's a magnet. Oh, it doesn't stick to my fridge. Of course, there's not really anywhere on my fridge. I'll stick it on my regular refrigerator. Anyway, and then there's Tea Tree Mint Exfoliating Foot Masks. There's 2 of these. Yes, thank you. I love foot masks. They're fantastic. Okay, and then we have this Pink Shark Moisturizing and Illuminating Sheet Mask. It's just a regular face sheet mask. So cute. Love that. Then there's this Pomegranate Firming Vitality Anytime, and it looks like a dolphin. How cute is that? So cute. And then there is this Honey Facial Sheet Mask. I love anything bee or honey. I love them for my face. They're fabulous. And then there is Help Me Snail Vitalizing Resilience Intensely Firming Sheet Mask. So love that. Love that. Thank you so much, Christine. And thank you, Sally. I love them all. Thank you so much. And like I said, I'll have Christine's channel linked down below. Blessings to you all. I love you so, so much. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.